Good evening and welcome, dear friends. This is Radhasham Baragi. Till yesterday, we were studying the part 11 of building material and construction. Today, I decided to start some other subjects, MCQs also. So, today we will start MCQs related to the properties of fluid, which is a chapter of fluid mechanics. We will be continuing in the part, but I will mix the various subjects so that the exam is near and we can feel happy to learn something. Anyway, let us start the MCQs from the fluid mechanics. This is the most important topic for all the engineers who are working hard for RMSSB, JEN, RITCO, AEN and other EAC exams and other civil engineering related exams, right? So let us start the MCQs from the first chapter, properties of fluid. Fluid, you know what is the fluid, which is gas and which is solid, and this, that is called, a combination of these two is called fluid. Okay, gas, liquid and solid, combination of these three is called fluid. Okay, so let us start the question number 1. An ideal fluid is what? Ideal fluid is frictionless and incompressible. Got it? They can be asked the question, what is an ideal fluid? You will say ideal fluid is frictionless and incompressible. This is the very good answer, and this is the very good question also, and generally it is asked many times in the exams, right? Next question. The density of air at 10 degrees Celsius is 1 megapascal. Absolute temperature in SI units is 12.31. See, I am repeating the line. The density of air at 10 degrees Celsius is 1 megapascal. Absolute in SI unit is 12.31. Is the answer. Next, the viscosity of a fluid varies with temperature. Temperature के साथ viscosity of fluid vary करती है. Next, a fluid is a substance that always moves when subjected to a stirring. So please remember, this is very important line. Next, with a decrease in temperature, the viscosity in gases generally decreases. Okay, with a decrease in temperature, the viscosity in gases generally decreases and liquid generally increases. Okay. Next, viscosity of a fluid with specific gravity 1.3 is measured to be 0.0034 Newton second per meter square. Its kinematic viscosity, what is the unit of kinematic viscosity? Meter square per second. What will be the kinematic viscosity? Have you remembered the formula? Kinematic viscosity is equal to viscosity upon the density. So viscosity is given and density is given, so you can find the specific kinematic viscosity. So here viscosity of fluid is given how much? That is 0.0034. And what is the density? How you will calculate the density? There is a specific gravity is given 1.3. So this is, by this way you can calculate the density. So it will come 0.0034. You can say 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 is the correct answer here. Okay, when you will simple, it is simple, don't complex it. Kinematic viscosity is equal to viscosity upon density. So viscosity, if you will divide viscosity by density, it will automatically come. Please remember, the unit of kinematic viscosity is Newton second, is meter square per second, and the unit of viscosity is Newton second per meter square. Okay. Next, viscosity is the most important property in the flow of castor oil through a tube. Flow of castor oil through a tube, then the viscosity is most important property. Next, if the mass density of a liquid is 1000 kg per meter cube and its dynamic viscosity is 1 Newton second per meter square, then its kinematic viscosity will be. You can easily calculate the kinematic viscosity. How you will calculate? Same answer. When you will divide the dynamic viscosity by the density, it will come kinematic viscosity. No issue in that. So correct answer will be here 0.001. Please calculate. Next, A fluid is a fluid in which resistance to deform is linearly dependent of a shear stress. This is known as Newtonian fluid. You have read all these things in your engineering exams. This is the very important relationship. What is the Newtonian fluid? Which obey the fluid in which resistance to deformation is linearly dependent of the shear stress. This is called the Newtonian fluid. Right. Next, which of the following is not dimensionless quantity? Specific gravity, dimensionless. Pressure coefficient, dimensionless. Darcy-Weisbach friction factor, this is also dimensionless. Kinematic viscosity is not dimensionless. The correct answer is D. Next, one poise is equivalent to C. One poise is equivalent to 3600 kg per meter hour. This is also correct. 10 to the power minus 1 kg per meter second. This is also correct. And 1 dyne second per centimeter square. This is also correct. Next, in a flowing fluid, particles may possess kinematic energy, kinetic energy, pressure energy, or inertial energy. All three are correct. Okay. Next, when the rheogram for a fluid at any temperature and pressure is a straight line passing through origin, the fluid is said to be Newtonian. Next, a pressure of 500 kilopascal applied to 2 meter cube of liquid result in a volume change of 0.004 meter cube. The bulk modulus in megapascal. How you will calculate the bulk modulus? Bulk modulus will be rho v upon del v. So rho is the density, v is the volume, and del v is the change in volume. You will find the answer. Answer will be 250. Okay. Next, SI unit of kinematic viscosity, you know, meter square per second. Next, a fluid which satisfies the relation tau is equal to mu du by dy, where tau is shear stress, mu constant of proportionality, and du by dx is the rate of deformation. This is called Newtonian fluid. Next, which of the following fluid can be classified as non-Newtonian? Human blood and toothpaste. Please remember, human blood and toothpaste is the non-Newtonian fluid. Okay. Kerosene oil, diesel oil, Newtonian fluid, diesel oil, water, Newtonian, and all these Newtonian. But human blood and toothpaste is not Newtonian. Next, which of the following fluid is incompressible and is having no viscosity? Ideal fluid is incompressible, having no viscosity. Next, poise is a unit for which of the following viscosity, you know. Next, specific gravity is also known as relative density. Please remember. In CGS system, the unit of kinematic viscosity is in Stoke. 1 Stoke is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 meter square per second. Please remember, or centimeter square per second. 10 to the power minus 4 meter square per second. Okay. The ratio of mass of fluid is fluid to its volume. That is called mass density. Okay. Next, dynamic viscosity mu has the dimensions has m, l minus 1, t minus 1. Please remember this. The drag on a very small sphere falling in a highly viscous fluid varies as the square of the velocity. Please remember, CD. The drag on a very small sphere falling in a highly viscous fluid, CD, is proportional to square of velocity. Next, a fluid in equilibrium can't sustain shear stress. Next, 1 kilopascal is equivalent to 1000 Newton per meter square. Next, fluid undergo volume changes under external pressure due to is what? Due to compressibility. Okay. Next, 1 centipoise is equal to 1 by 100 poise. Next, the viscosity of water at 20 degrees Celsius is 0.01 poise. Please remember, very important MCQs. A vessel of 4 meter cube contains oil which weight 30 kilonewton. The specific weight of the oil. How you will calculate specific weight? Specific weight will be weight upon volume. The answer will be 7.5 kilonewton per meter cube. Next, the variation in the volume of a liquid with the variation of pressure is called compressibility. Del V upon del P. Okay. Newtonian law of viscosity in a relationship between shear stress and rate of shear strain. Please remember, very important question. Pascal second is the unit of dynamic viscosity. Next, if the volume of a liquid weighs 3000 kg is 4 meter cube, 0.75 is its watt. So it will be the density. When you will divide 3000 by the volume 4 cubic meter, it will come 0.75. That is called density. that is specific gravity, we can also say. Next, the property of a fluid which offers resistance to the moment of one layer to the another adjacent layer, that is viscosity. Very good. Eddy viscosity means that it is an apparent viscosity due to turbulent flow. This is also correct. Next, when a matter resists applied shear stress by static deformation, it is called solid. Surface tension has the dimension F(L-1). If salt is added in water, the surface tension of water will increase. Please remember, these are very important questions. The weight per unit volume of a liquid at standard temperature and pressure is called specific weight. Surface tension of a water increases with decrease in temperature. Please remember, the stress which is responsible for retaining water in a capillary tube above the free water surface of the water body in which the capillary tube is inserted, that is called capillary tension. Next question. Rheology is the study of non-Newtonian fluids. Next, with an increase in the radius of the tube, the rise of liquid in the tube due to surface tension will decrease. Decreases because H is equal to 4 sigma upon rho GD. Okay. Next, if pipes of too small diameter are used, the power required may considerably increased. Okay. What will be the pressure intensity inside a soap bubble of radius 4 centimeter? Surface tension of water is 0.0736 Newton per meter. That is called 7.36 Newton per meter. How you will calculate? You will calculate by 4 sigma upon R. Okay. Next, which of the following is not the unit of pressure? PSI is the unit, kg per centimeter square is unit, atmosphere is unit, Newton is not the unit of pressure. Okay. The expression for kinematic viscosity of a fluid is dynamic viscosity upon density. That is called kinematic. I have told you earlier. Which of the following is dimensionless? Specific volume, no. Specific weight, no. Specific speed, no. Specific gravity is the dimensionless. Next, the region within which the effect of viscosity is confined is known as boundary layer. That is called boundary layer. Next, a fluid whose viscosity changes with the rate of deformation is known as non-Newtonian fluid. So by this we have completed 51 questions today of fluid mechanics, where the chapter name is property of fluids. Whatever MCQs I have told you in this class are very, very important. Please memorize. 1 or 2 questions you will must see in the exam. So thank you so much guys for being here with me. I'm having some trouble issues in my life, as well as because my one male elder is there in at my home who needs my help. So I'm taking leave from my official work also, and working for them, helping them. That's why I'm unable to produce, but don't worry, I will be keeping this because the exam is near. No matter what the situation is, along with me I have to produce the lecture and then MCQs at any cost, because the exam is near at 12th September 2021. So bye bye guys, take care, have a nice night, have a nice time, and be well prepared. I'm just a booster, I'm just beginner. You have to complete your task, and I will also complete it. Don't worry about it. Thank you so much guys being here with me. Bye, take care.